Hi guys, this is Ashley. I'm coming to you live from the streets of Sioux Falls, and we're going to go do some interviews about what people enjoy.
One of the things I like about Sioux Falls, and actually we're experiencing here tonight with our little group, is our city's growing so fast. We're really getting the opportunity to be change makers, to be on the front edge of new things that are happening here.
I love living in Sioux Falls because after visiting, I've been to a lot of larger cities, and I am a huge believer in the fact that everybody living in a large city is trying to make their city small. They want to go to their favorite coffee shop, their favorite restaurant. They have their community of people that they interact with on a daily basis, and I think Sioux Falls is that.
I love just all the restoration that's been going on downtown. There's lots of new shops and all the historic buildings that are still, some are being restored, some are being updated.
Love the sculpture walk. It's a great way to be outdoors, especially at this time of the year when it's beautiful out. The art scene here is great.
Most of the shops are local, and I get to know the people who run the shops.
So many fun things to do, and the great thing is it's year-round. And what's amazing is, I grew up about 35, 40 miles away from here. And when I started coming to this town, it was 80,000. Now we're over 183,000. So you just look around, and there's all this great construction taking place, and so many things being built, and all for us to take advantage of.